Okay, welcome back to Sub's Choice. Today I have my favorite subscriber here, Mattias Sulander. Where is... Oh.
Intro.
Today we hit 400 subscribers.
Oh my god.
Plus 100 subscribers since the last Sub's Choice. This is crazy.
That's really good.
And we haven't even started yet. We don't know what kind of...
Picture
No.
we have taken yet.
You know it, because you see it in the thumbnail and we
Yes.
just showed it one second ago.
We have no clue. My Sub's Choice.
What can it be?
It's my wife's microphone.
It's your wife's microphone?
Yes.
Wow.
It's a really cool microphone, a new brand.
Is it the Aston Villa one? If you like Aston Villa, thumbs up.
Boom. The cable is not in. How?
Stick it in your... Today we're in Capture One again.
Yes.
Oh,
Hello, hello. Do you read me?
Yes, now I took a picture and
Yes.
it went up to the left. Oh,
All right. Ta-da!
you can just turn it on
Yes.
and point it to the... And let's take a shot and see what
So
happens.
simple. Ooh.
There it is. The background is so boring. Let's put the...
I like big things. I can hold this one.
Okay. And we take
Ooh.
another shot.
Look at that. Now it's ready.
Thank you for watching. Next
Yes.
week we will do... When we put it closer, it will be sharper probably.
Yes. You see the penumbra is getting pretty sharp.
Penumbra. This is a regular softbox. It's like 2 by 3 feet, I guess. It's like
Yes.
60 times 90 centimeter, give or take. And let's take a
Ooh.
shot. It's much softer. And also
Ooh,
the shadow
look at
will
that.
be very soft, yeah? But I think we should do something more fun.
Yes!
Let's use this as a background.
Very smart. Backlight the hell out of it. It's pretty cool.
You have to try and try.
Try and try. Isn't there a song that goes try?
Try.
If you find the song, place it in the comments below. Good.
Where is my coffee?
It's over here.
Oh,
I can assure you, all viewers, that the coffee in here is very good.
thank you so much. Today's pro tip, don't look into the flash.
It really hurts in your eyes. God damn it.
You see?
It looks hazy. It's like you're really drunk on a concert.
Maybe you like this.
Yeah, maybe it's pretty cool.
Maybe you
but
guys
we
like
lose
this.
all the detail in the picture.
If I turn down the power of the flash, it will soon become like a silhouette, yeah?
Silhouetto.
Clinker story.
Oh, clinker.
How do you say?
Do you have clinkers over here in the back?
Is it called clinker in English too?
I think they say tiles ibland.
Tiles.
Yeah, pretty much sometimes. I have a plumber that's English. He maybe say tiles. Paul, do you call it tiles? If you do, tell us in the comments below.
So, let's do some magic, some labyrinthe magic.
Yes.
Let's make this softbox into 3 strip lights, somewhere around there, and let's see now what will happen.
Yes.
Aha!
Oh, molto bene.
You see live view, you see exactly what you're doing. If you only have one softbox,
Yes.
you can really make 2 strip lights. Can adjust how much of this kicker or rim light or whatever it's called. It's a bit yellow because I want you to see the live view. So then I put down the shutter speed. So when we take the shot,
Yep.
we will put it up to the maximum 200 and then it will be only the flash. Not the ambient modeling light. So this is the correct one. But for now, when we're showing, I put it down so we can see the live view. Right now, it's totally black because we haven't put any light on it, because all the light is coming from behind, yeah. If I take this one
Yes.
and just place it here, maybe somewhere... When I see this, I think we should not do this for this microphone, because this makes it very... It looks like totally other material, do you see?
Yeah.
And it's kind of rough, and this is very gentle and nice, and I think we should go for this. Highlights. I want to show you, you can do we still get a lot of light into the camera? Yes, when you push the power,
Yep.
it softens up the contrast, so we should really put up like a blocker or something.
A blocker.
Where do I have?
It's a cardboard with a hole in it. Now you know, blocker.
And if I just hold it, take a test shot.
And now I'm blocking all the light hitting my lens, so you only see me.
That's how you do it.
Maybe you should have this. Wait.
Boop, boop. Oh.
What a perfect pocket for like that one.
And now you have one. Now you can trigger.
Okay, look at this.
Everybody should have a trigger.
Yes. 3, 2, 1. Look in the flash.
Oh. Blue highlights, I mean rim lights.
Ooh.
Or
kicker lights.
But before we do this, we should really shut off the model lights. Otherwise, the studio will burn down. What do we get? We get blue
highlights.
rim lights.
Rim lights, kicker lights, whatever you want to call it.
Just
it's your choice.
It's just a blue gel.
It's just a blue gel. Oh, we are filming it both ways now. It's pretty cool.
And it's kind of cool, yeah? And we do like this.
Ah, one from each side. It's like having two strip lights now, right?
Yes.
I can see the green.
Do you have the trigger?
Poof!
Do we get the green and the blue? So this is... maybe we will come... maybe we will do this, but...
After we tried fire, lightning and smoke.
Multispot.
Actually. Oh, that's crazy. Do you see us?
Probably we will not use this one today. Oh, it's on!
Big bang!
Now we didn't put in any gobo, so now it's just...
Yes, it's just an egg.
Round circle, yeah?
It's a kind of a breakfast feeling.
We can actually put in the jungle.
Oh yes,
the jungle gobo.
The jungle.
And all you do...
Yes, how do you do that?
You just... And it can be a bit cool, yeah?
Where do you buy this blocker?
This is very expensive.
Yes, I can see that.
It's handmade in Nacka. No.
It looks like Looney Tunes.
It's like a aperture.
Sure.
What is this red dot?
Whoa, is it a sniper over here?
Shit! So let's take a shot!
Yes!
When we put in this aperture, but we should not have it on the background. But now you understand, you can create like a... Yeah. Let's put it on the microphone.
Because it's really hard, if you just got softbox, it's really hard to just pinpoint that direction. That's why we have this guy.
It's a bit a spot.
Yes.
So...
Spot-delicious.
So it's not totally dark. Yes, I had an idea with this one.
Yep.
That we can place it not on the metal. And we take a shot.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
And now it will be bounce. Yes.
Oh, that is so nice.
So maybe we will get a bit more light on the microphone. Not on this one.
Exactly.
It's a bit too low, but we have to raise it up. So I think we can...
Should we bring out another one of that?
Yes, let's put up both of them.
Yes.
Where is the remote? You need to see what we're doing. But the reason why we're shutting it down is because we need to see... If you look at the picture before, this is without... It's just the highlight all the way, and when we put up these white flags, we see this nice...
exactly, the membrane.
But we stopped here because we didn't think it looks so nice on this.
Yeah, keep it as it is on the sides. But Martin, when will the fire of the Blixtar and Dunder?
He wants some fire, this guy.
Yes.
You know, it would be cool to have a hand holding the microphone.
So, if you got a hand over, tell us in the comments.
Actually, I have another tool for this. You can put into... Ooh. We need to fix this... maybe we don't need to have just a very specific tiny spot. Yes. Maybe this is nicer when it's...
Yeah, now we got the roughness.
So, and if you hold your hand here...
Yes. And the membrane just looks so good. You can do it! Cut his fucking balls off!
Open sesame. Okay, how will this look? Now
fantastic.
I think it will make it look a bit three-dimensional because it's a bit light here, and we need to. This is 100 million degrees hot.
Oh, I have to feel it.
Don't touch it. Ow. Wouldn't it be cool to make it a bit on the sniskan on the side of the microphone? Like and instead of rotating everything, make it. We can just maybe rotate the camera. Can you hold it so I can see?
Absolutely.
So we can see.
Okay, put it pretty close, and I'll take my hand.
Let's take a shot and see where we are. Ah, and you get light there. I think that's enough light. It should not be this hard light, and you have this nice rim light.
Yeah.
And the ring.
You know, I like the contrast between some hard, cool kicker and the soft, beautiful and...
Maybe we should put this up so you don't have to hold it. Because you need to be the microphone guy.
The mic guy!
This is the clamp box.
Everybody needs a clamp box.
I need a spigot. So this bad boy, the heating, it will not be so hard on the harsh. And it softens it up, and it will soften on Matthias' hand also. when it comes like that. Yeah.
This is crazy. What a setup.
Well, it looks more complicated than it is, I would say. I mean, we only used one softbox for the background.
Yes.
And then we blocked it with the clinker that is called something else.
Yeah, Paulie, you're really nice.
So that made 2 strip lights. Actually, it's 4, but we're using only the ones on the side.
Cool.
But now we need to do something more.
Always maximize.
I think we should do the fire.
Now.
Because you wanted fire.
We love fire, fire.
The flamethrower.
Ooh.
And
Who
this.
doesn't like flamethrowers?
And don't do this at home.
Dangerous.
You know, this is very dangerous. Or this is not so powerful as the flashes, so it needs longer shutter speed. I think we can start with 1 second. We need to shut off the LED lights because we have longer shutter speed to make the fire more fiery.
3, 2, 1. Then you fire like hell.
You push at 1.
Yeah.
Not 3, 2, 1. Push.
No, I push at 1.
Okay,
3, 2,
push at 1.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Should we have a board that reflects a bit on you, so the shadow's not totally black, maybe? Or
I agree.
we can put a board under here.
Yes.
Maybe we can do something like this.
Maybe.
And then we need another system.
Yeah.
Heavyweight savage plastic.
Yeah.
That's the And let's hope this will reflect a bit from. It will take light from the softbox from behind. If it will do any. Yes, it's. This is a bit more lit up now. You know, it's too black here.
Exactly.
So now again.
Yeah, it was nice to have
Don't do this. Yes.
It was nice to have known you for a little while.
Because this is the last time we will talk.
At least we had a beautiful fika before.
Mormors hosta.
Mormors hosta, you have to learn
it. The mormors hosta. The mormors hosta.
Granny cough.
Granny cough.
Yes.
Danish with granny cough.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Try this.
Yes.
Google it.
Google
Comment below.
3, 2, 1. Cool.
Wow, that one is very cool.
Wow! Wow! Holy crap, that was a fire show.
I guess we call it a wrap. So, what did we do today?
Oh, I have no idea. My God, we have done so much.
We took it from this picture and we took it to that one.
To that one.
And that's kind of cool.
It's unbelievable.
Yes, and now it's dying the battery. So please subscribe and like if you like this. See you next time, and thank you, Matthias.
Oh, thank you very much.
It was so nice to have you here.
Yes,
you could drop by.
You won't get rid of me.
Yes,
he
will be back. Okay.
Back in black.
Okay, see you next time. Thanks.